Hey there, how are you? I hope you are well. Today we are going to learn how to play the riff from Layla. Let's go. Okay, number one, we're going to learn the low part. We're going to kick it off with an open A, and then we're going to hammer on to C. And then we're going to do a hammer on and pull off on D, F, D. And they're all semiquavers, so you've got and, four, E, and, one. So. Now, when I'm playing a D5 here, I'm using my little finger so that I can use my second and third fingers in the rest of the riff. So we get that riff. Slide to C, play a B flat, then play basically an F with an A bass, and then a G. So far we've had D, C, B flat, A, G, and then we are going to play C, open, G, D. So open A, G, C5, open A, G, D. So that whole thing, just slowly again. Right, another guitar you saw at the intro was this one, which only plays and that plays in time with the other riff. It's basically an octave of that. So that is part two. Okay, let's get to the lead part. You're basically going to play the same notes, so A, C, D, F, D, okay, and then back to C. So, and then finish on D. So those three riffs are the same. Okay, then we're going to hit a bend. So. Big bend. So we hit full step, bit of wobble, C, D. That's riff one. And riff two is the same beginning. So the second half of that is 15 bend, 15 play, 12, 13, and then you can play 15 here or there. So if you wanted to, or and that is how you play Layla by Derek and the Dominoes. Thanks very much for watching. Please do subscribe and click the bell for regular videos. There's a new one every Saturday, Sydney morning at 9 a.m. If you would like to support the channel, please visit my Patreon page. There is exclusive content and charts, and you can do one-on-one lessons with me if you so wish. I really appreciate you even going to have a look. That would be great. In the meantime, be safe, keep washing your hands, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.